Welcome to your annual fire training safety course. This year's presentation leaders are Stephanie, Gayle, Tatyana, Michelle, Taylor, and Pamela. This is a 1 hour training using social exchange and activities to reach our audience. Our training is for faculty and staff of K through 12 grade level. This training is designed to remind all of us of our roles and procedures as well as expectations for fire safety. Safety is our top priority, and it is important that we all are completing our roles as expected. This training will be divided into 4 sections. Each section of the training will rely heavily on social exchange and online engagement with tech tools to enhance the learner's knowledge. We have designed 3 objectives into this training. Teachers and staff will be able to locate the closest fire extinguisher. Teachers and staff will be able to identify evacuation routes. Teachers and staff will be able to determine what their responsibilities and expectations are during a fire emergency. In the welcoming and introductions, we use an engaging icebreaker to kick off our training. Besides putting their name in the chat for attendance purposes, we prompt them to tell us if you could be anywhere else right now, where would you be? This begins the connection between the learners in a fun and lighthearted way. In regards to the housekeeping, the following script could be said. While you are sending in your submissions, I will cover some housekeeping rules. Please keep your microphone on mute throughout this training. If you have any questions, type in the chat or use the raise your hand feature. Please be active participants in the training. Learners learn through participation and discussion with others. There will be an opportunity for each of you to share in small groups. Please use the group time for open discussions and learning. In the next section, we created an interactive activity to engage with teachers and staff. In the chat box, the learners will see a link to Jamboard. They will be asked to add a sticky note and name something that they have been responsible during a fire drill. After all submissions, one of the instructors will read some of the notes added and clarify responsibilities and expectations for all teachers and staff. Based off the responses, the learners will feel as if they created a purpose for these responsibilities. For the last section, teachers will be put into breakout rooms based on their building locations. The groups are predetermined, as is the lead, who will be the administrator during the activity in the room. The admin will share a blueprint of the section of the building. Participants will then work together with the interactive tools within Zoom to circle the exits in the building, to X out routes to avoid, and use a check mark where fire extinguishers are located. By working together and discussing the exit plans, the intent is that the learners will create a plan that will work for all. It is important to the teachers and staff that we create a teamwork and community that can be used throughout the school year. Finally, during the small groups, each group will be asked to share a grow and glow. Once back in the whole group setting, each group will share. Grows can be anything where the training can be improved for the following year. Glows can be something that they learned or something clarified. Lastly, there will be time for questions. Thank you for watching our training on fire safety in the school system.